Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a Yelp review. All right. As you can see here, I am now logged into Yelp.com. So basically what we're going to do is just go ahead and tap or click on our profile right here at the top right. Click on it. Now, once you're in here, click the About Me section. All right. Just click on it. Wait for it to load. As you can see here in the left pane, you will be able to see reviews. All right. Click on reviews. And here you'll be able to see all of the reviews that you have posted. All right, just go ahead and click on the three dots right here besides the review itself and the store. Click on it, and as you can see, there's an option called remove review. Just click on it, and there will be a prompt. Why do you want to remove this review? As you can see here, there are a lot of options. Just go ahead and select one. Once done, just hit on remove review. Wait for the process to finish. As you can see here, when we go back to our About Me section, on the profile, our review is gone. Now, if you want to delete a review from your business account, all right, from your own business account, that would be in another video. Just go ahead and put it up in the comments if you want me to make a video about it, and I'll see you in the next one.